How's it going, reinventors? Happy Vlogmas. This is the days leading up to December 25th, and in this video series, I'm going to be bringing you 25 things to do after you retire.
How's it going, reinventors? Editing Amelia, or post-production Amelia here, just to ask you what you think about this intro for every video. And if you let me know in the comments your opinion of the videos, like you like the intro, having the same intro for all the videos or not. The reason I did that, I've done a series of Vlogmas before and it got very old trying to do a new video every single day or for every single day. So I thought I'd try this. So I really would love your opinion, what you think about the way I'm doing Vlogmas this year. So let me know in the comments. And now back to the video.
I'm Amelia. This is Reinventing You. This channel is all about inspiring you so that you can reinvent your life. I want you to live a life of joy, fulfillment, and purpose. I normally post twice a week, but in this instance, during Vlogmas, I'll be posting every day. Now, you might say, wait a minute, haven't I already seen this video? Well, I did the same intro in every video for this series. I'm glad that you are here. I retired early from the ministry after 20 years, but it doesn't matter what age you retire. You are probably looking for what are you going to spend your time doing after you have retired, and I want to help you out through my own experience. If you are interested, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. This video is for Vlogmas Day 9. I want you to look here at this screen and say no. No. Say it again, no. Practice that because that is your thing to do right now, Day 9. Say no. Learn to say no. Everybody is going to want you to do something. Those nosy people who figured out what your plans were, they're going to want you to do something. Your family members who say, oh, you're not working anymore, you can keep the grandkids or the great-grandkids or my neighbor's kids or, you know, the kids next door. You're going to have somebody say, oh, you're retired. Well, you could come volunteer at this, you know, homeless shelter or whatever. Now, it's something you're excited about. If you really want to spend some time with your grandkids and that is your goal, if you really want to spend time volunteering at the homeless shelter and that is your goal, go for it. But there's going to be so many people who are going to want you to do things. You have got to learn to say no. Even if you've never been able to do it before, now is the time. Because in order to live the best life that you can, you have got to say no. If you've reinvented yourself or in the process of reinventing yourself, you've got to learn to say no. If you have goals, if you have plans, if you have a schedule, it's going to be so much easier to say no because people say, can you do this on this day? No, I can't. You don't even have to say why. If they push you, say, well, you know, actually, that's my day off. And they're like, what? You're retired. How can you have a day off? Say, I have to have a day off. I have to structure it, or I don't stop doing everything else for others. I have to have my own little Sabbath, my own little day off. Sometimes people want a reason why you say no. Other times, they just, if you say no, I can't do it, you have got to learn that you don't have to give a lengthy explanation. You don't have to give the reasons why, but just say no. One of the things that happened to me, I know when I retired from the ministry, was that I had somebody in my husband's church wanting me to help with something, and I just knew from talking with them that actually this has happened twice, come to think of it. But anyway, I just knew with talking with both these groups of people, it was not in my skill set. It was not things that I did very well. So I had to say no, and I wanted to give them an explanation, but I didn't think it was necessary because all I had to do was say no. That's what you need to learn. Say no. It's your tip number 9. I hope you've enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know what you would suggest doing when you retire or when somebody else retires, or what you hope to do when you retire. And if this video has been helpful for you, guess what? I want you to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Have a great one.